Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. ABC today's highlights. First highlight is that light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind likely to continue over East India on 9th April, that is today, and over Northeast India during the next 5 days, with possibility of heavy rainfall over Sikkim, South Assam and Tripura today, and over Arunachal Pradesh today and tomorrow, that is 9th and 10th. Gradual rise in maximum temperature likely over western Himalayan region including Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand by 6 to 8 degrees Celsius, over plains of northwest India including Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan by 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, over central India including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius during 9 to 15, that is during the next 7 days. As a result, day temperature likely to remain below normal to near normal over most parts of northwest, central and east India during next 2 or 3 days, and thereafter gradually becoming above normal thereafter. So that is the main highlight, that temperature is going to rise by 8 to 10 degrees Celsius over plains of northwest India. And if we see yesterday's weather, so heavy rainfall occurred at isolated locations of Odisha, Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh and Assam, and hailstorm activity over Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh and western parts of, especially northwestern parts of Madhya Pradesh, and thunderstorm activity yesterday reported over parts of northwest, east and northeast India. And if we see synoptic conditions, so there is a western disturbance roughly over Jammu Kashmir as a cyclone circulation and a trough around that region, that is of western Himalayan region, and another western disturbance seen today over Afghanistan and Arjun region as a trough, and there is a circulation over northwest Uttar Pradesh, east Uttar Pradesh, Bangladesh, and there is a trough from northwest Uttar Pradesh to Manipur, another trough from Odisha to Gulf of Mannar across eastern coast. And under the influence of these synoptic systems, so mainly gradual rise is expected in maximum temperature by 6 to 8 degrees Celsius over western region, northwest India by 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius over central India, and 5 to 7 degrees Celsius over eastern parts of the country during 10 to 13th of April. And in Gujarat, rise is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius till 12th, and over Maharashtra it is likely to increase by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during 10 to 13th of April. Otherwise, we can say that day temperature likely to remain below normal to near normal over most parts of northwest, central and east India during the next 2-3 days, gradually becoming above normal thereafter over these regions. So if we see the weather forecast and warnings for today, so thunderstorm activity especially east and northeast India today likely, with possibility of hailstorm over Assam and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, South Assam and Tripura, and also over Sikkim, and another zone of thunderstorm likely over western region, especially Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and also over South Karnataka and Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu, with possibility of hot and humid weather over Kerala and Tamil Nadu today. And ABC weather warning for tomorrow, that is valid for 10th. So you can see that thunderstorm activity mainly concentrated over east and northeast India, especially Sikkim and Odisha and northeast India, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, with possibility of heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, and thunderstorm also given for South Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, with hot and humid weather over coastal Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh. On 11th, hot and humid weather issued for coastal Gujarat, coastal Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha region. Thunderstorm activity is issued for Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand under the influence of fresh western disturbance, and also over northeast India, especially Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Somaliland, West Bengal, Sikkim. On 12th, the hot and humid weather condition likely to continue over Gujarat, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, especially coastal Karnataka. Thunderstorm over northeast India, Sikkim and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh. On 13th, hot and humid weather conditions likely to continue over Gujarat, Odisha and Gangetic, West Bengal. Thunderstorm over northeast India and south interior Karnataka. On 14th, hot and humid weather over Gujarat, Odisha and Gangetic, West Bengal, with possibility of development of heat wave conditions over Odisha, over Chhattisgarh region, and the similar condition likely to continue on 15th of this month. नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत।